already know Oluwasegun Michael Iyanolua. Based on the promise that I made on my last video on programming, I said in my next video that I'm going to use my PC. So before I use my PC, I have need an ID. So Python. So before we download this Python application, I expect you people to know what Python is. So let's type Python into the search bar. Understand the Python meaning in computer language. So as you see here, Python is a high-level programming language designed to be easy to read and simple to implement. It is open source, which means it is free to use even for commercial application. So what are the uses? What can you use this Python for? For you to know what you can use it for. So what what can I use Python for? What can I use Python to do? You see, Python was it's used for web development and many other things like that. You can use it to do game, adventure, and a lot of things like that. So let me show you how you can download Python. So let's be first Python download. So I'm using Windows 10, so I'm downloading it for Windows 10. What's this? I didn't ask for this. Download Python. Download. Download Python. Let me visit the website python.org. Then you move down here. You can see this download. Then you move down and you come here and click here. So as you can see, thing has already starting downloaded. That's all. After you've downloaded it, I expect you to go into folder and check download. After that, you'll see this install Python 3.8.5. See, I'm installing the 32-bit, so I have to click on install now. See, install now. I'm waiting for the thing to write to success. Just have to say set up for successful to know maybe